We are now launching our first class under the SPPU department in collaboration with Space. Our workshop for today is on plated desserts, headed by Chef Ted Fong Chua. He has a theme in mind for this two-day workshop. It's elementals, featuring the 4 elementals, which is air, water, earth, and fire. He will be showcasing different techniques, applying different textures, ingredients, and flavors infused all together to create a very unique plated dessert.
If you're a beginner, you will not be intimidated with this class. Even though you don't have a background at baking, you will still be able to manage because I designed this class for them, for everybody.
This is a good opportunity for those students who want to specialize in the pastry kitchen, because it really gives like an in-depth look to what the professionals are doing outside the school. So it's a really good exercise.
For me, I think it's patience, because for example, the wild berry consomme, it's going to take very long for it to finish, and the ice cream also, so you really have to wait so you can get a perfect outcome and good quality.
For me, it will help me and the other students to be more ready and more knowledgeable towards working, because in the general curriculum of the culinary arts, it's in minimal with the teachings of plated desserts.
I am happy that I don't just get to teach students of Benilde, because this is, I think, the first class that I've taught here in Benilde that is open to everyone. One thing that I appreciate with the students, I get to share my knowledge. Teaching plated dessert, you cannot teach this in a 6-hour class of baking. You need more time. I get to be playful dito sa class na to.
The culinary industry is a continuous evolution of techniques. The students who are gonna enroll in this class would be more open to the different ideas that are coming in the F&B industry. So all our future classes will be new, modern, creative, as well as innovative in a way to enhance the skills and the creative minds of our students.